Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Venu 2 Plus, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen, press and hold the upper button to open the controls menu. And here you should see a bunch of icons. You can find the Do Not Disturb mode icon, the one that looks like the moon icon. This one is crossed out, which means that the Do Not Disturb mode is disabled. But if you want to enable the mode, simply tap on this icon. You will see the message DND on, and the icon will change the color to green, and also it won't be crossed out anymore, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And once you're done, you can press the lower button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable the mode. If you want to disable it, open the controls menu again, find the Do Not Disturb mode icon, tap on it. You will see the message DND off, and the icon will go back to gray color, and it will be crossed out, which indicates that the mode is disabled. And then you can press the side button, or rather lower button, to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.